Dear chartered accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for 14th February 2024. A battle is brewing between Google and WhatsApp over the rupees 2,500 crore enterprise messaging market in India. The US search giant is pushing an alternate mobile phone messaging system in the country that could disrupt the growing use of WhatsApp by enterprises for communicating with customers. That has the potential to upend the broader messaging-based communication ecosystem in the country. Vodafone Idea has become the first Indian telecom operator to partner with Google for offering rich communication services or RCS messaging to enterprise customers in India, with bigger telco rivals Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel expected to join the bandwagon soon. Deborah Quazzo, managing partner of edtech investor GSV Ventures, believes that recent developments around troubled edtech firm Byju has put the spotlight on governance among Indian startups, a concern globally. GSV Ventures has backed Indian edtech unicorns including Eruditus, lead PhysicsWallah, as well as startups like Classplus. Deborah Quazzo also spoke about the lack of equilibrium between edtech founders and investors on valuations, which is delaying fundraising in the sector. Hinduja Group is in discussions to borrow rupees 4,000 crore from non-banking financial company 361 Prime, formerly IIFL Wealth Prime, to part finance its acquisition of Anil Ambani-promoted Reliance Capital under the bankruptcy code. IndusInd International Holdings, the holding company of Hinduja Group, is looking to borrow a total of rupees 8,000 crore for the deal, but it has been facing pricing challenges with various credit funds demanding rates on the higher side. An advisory committee at Bloomberg Index Services Limited has recommended inclusion of Indian government bonds in the Bloomberg Emerging Market Local Currency Index, and a formal announcement of this is likely in the coming days. Inclusion of Indian bonds in the Bloomberg Emerging Market Index could bring inflows of about $5 billion from passive investors and more likely from active investors.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.